Hi, I'm Nicki with Maison Magazine, and I'm here today with Alan from ShelfGenie, and he's going to help me organize my drawers a little bit.
Hi, Nicki. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I'm sure you have some very specific areas you want to take a look at. So we're going to focus in on those. I'll have you show me around. In the kitchen space, we generally like to see the space as a whole. So we'll kind of poke around in all the different spaces we have in here. Then I have some samples I'll show you, as well as some pictures of what we've done for other clients. After that, we'll do the detailed design work, and by the time we're done, I will have a finished design as well as a quote ready for you.
Great.
Does that sound good?
I'm super excited.
Let's get started.
Okay.
So under the cooktop, it looks like you have a couple shelves that pull out on the bottom. You've got stuff that's way in the back that I imagine is hard to get to.
Yeah, I forgot about it. I don't even know what's back there.
This is one of those where you really got to get on your hands and knees
to
get to the back, or take everything in the front out to get back there. Now we've got some great solutions under sinks.
Oh, this is a hot mess. It's a jumble.
Jumble, okay.
Yeah. That's a mess.
Okay.
It's not very functional at all. It could definitely use some help.
All right, I think I've got a good idea of the kitchen space now. You mentioned something about the bathroom.
Yes, I have quite a few things in the bathroom that I want to show you, get your idea.
All right, let's go take a look.
Okay. So here is my bathroom, and it needs a lot of help.
You got a number of things on the countertop.
There's a lot.
Well, you've got lots of space that's not being used. All this vertical space, that's empty space here. Now, you did mention your hair dryers and these types
that's a big mess.
Okay, well, I think I've got some good solutions for that, and I'll show you some pictures. All right, I think I've got what I need. So is it okay if we take a look at some of the samples I brought?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay.
We have a couple different lines that we'll talk about. The classic line is the one in the middle, which is what we sell the most of. So it's full extension, which means it comes all the way out of your cabinets. It's a 100-pound load capacity. The bottom's a high-grade melamine. And then the whole thing is backed by a lifetime warranty on both the material and the labor. The designer line is the upgraded line. And here we have 4 different options for colors for the designer line. We have a white, there's a dark, medium, and a light color. So we've got the soft close undermount rails here, so that go in and they close on their own. We have dividers that are adjustable, and we've got these little clips that can be moved around so that you can actually position them wherever you want.
Right. It can evolve with me over time. If I want to use the space for something different, I can just move the dividers around.
Exactly.
Okay, right.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right.
I love it.
Is that something you think would be helpful for you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for coming back, Alan. I cannot wait to show you what your installers have done.
I'm so happy to be back, and I really look forward to seeing, what everything looks like, and hearing how it's impacted your life in the kitchen and in your house.
Cool. I'll show you. It's so awesome. So we did a lot of work under here. Now they're all organized in their own little bin. I could actually fit a lot more in here if I had a lot more.
Yeah, that's great. What else you got here?
This was once super messy, and now I kind of feel like my grandma's rolling pin is sort of highlighted. It has a place of its own, and it just feels so nice and respectful of my grandma.
That's great. It just feels good.
It does.
Knowing things that have a home.
There's no anxiety when I open the drawer. So under the kitchen sink was probably the biggest game changer for me. It's so easy, and you can see everything that you have.
That's great. I love it. I think it looks great, and it's so organized and clean in there.
I know, I love it so much. So I'll show you what I did with the bathroom. It's just clean, which is what I wanted. I just wanted a clean counter without all the products, and this accomplished that.
Like you said, it just looks like things are so easy to get to.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Nicki. So now that you've had ShelfGenie design, build everything for you, and now install all of the glide outs in your space, in your home, how has that impacted your life in the kitchen?
I really like to bake and to cook, especially with my daughter. And I would say, get a measuring cup, get a measuring spoon from this drawer, and she'd have to dig through it, and then right away it would be stressful. But now I say, get this from this drawer, and she pulls out the drawer and it's all laid out. So it infuses a level of joy in our baking and cooking that perhaps wasn't there before.
Oh, that's so cool. Now, how about for your bathroom?
It feels clean and it feels uncluttered to me. And then when I open the drawers and they're organized, it's just an overall feeling of clean. So if anyone wanted to get a hold of ShelfGenie, how would they do that?
To schedule a free consultation, we've tried to make it really easy. All you have to do is give us a call. Our representatives will help you out to schedule a consultation that works for your schedule. Another way is to go to our website, shelfgenie.com/Maison. And if you use the code word Maison, you can get 50% off of the installation cost.
Thank you so much, Alan.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having me.